I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video for Friday morning, the 16th of April. This will be the 8th consecutive day without rain, and more than likely the dry spell rolls on through much of next week. You know, if this were August, wouldn't be a big deal, but hey, this is April. This is when it should be raining. Let's take a look at some of the Skycam shots around the network this morning. First off, from Birmingham, that's looking south from the Daniel Building. Another clear morning with readings hovering around 60 in most spots. Here's a look at the lights of the city of Gadsden, coming from the Skycam up in Etowah County. And in Dallas County, that's the Edmund Pettus Bridge across the Alabama River in Selma. Big storm up in Canada, moving east. Other than that, we've got the ridge beating down a little bit down here. Moisture trapped off to the west over Texas, but bottom line is today should be another beautiful day. Watch warning map, amazingly quiet. Just a handful of counties out in West Texas under a flash flood watch, and that's about it. And the QPF, rain for the next 5 days, suggesting hardly anything here, with the big rains over Texas, generally west of Interstate 35. Let's take a look at modeling here. This is the OZGFS, valid at 1 o'clock today. You see the big shortwave passing through the Great Lakes. And down below that, a cold front will be slowly progressing south. It will rain today in places like St. Louis and Indianapolis and Cleveland. But we stay warm and dry with mid-80s. Tomorrow, the upper-level low develops over the northeast United States. That'll push that cold front through here, but hardly anything on it. I guess we'll mention isolated showers, but I would say 99% of the state will be dry tomorrow. For the 8A games in Alabama and Auburn, just go have fun. Should be a nice day. A little cooler, highs back in the upper 70s, and the chance of any one spot getting wet only in the 10% range. And Sunday, dry air takes over. Should be a cooler day with a high close to 72, 73, something like that. What's that thing down there at Key West? Little early season tropical action, huh? Well, it's not a tropical system, of course, but boy, the water's awfully warm over the Atlantic Basin, except for the Northern Gulf, and it'll be time to talk tropical systems soon enough. Monday, we stay dry. Tuesday looks good. Wednesday of next week, little moisture feeds up to Georgia, but it looks like we stay dry. Thursday, still dry, and if this is right, this will be the 14th consecutive day with no rain. How about that? Friday of next week, a week from today, upper low back over the Four Corners, and by golly, it's still pretty far to the west, and by golly, we still stay dry. That would be 15 days in a row with no rain. All right, the next weekend, Saturday the 24th, all of a sudden looks dry with the rain west of the state. Remember, this is voodoo country, and it will change. And we've seen a lot of runs that showed a big rain event on this day. Now the rain stays off to the west, and the rain arrives on the following day, Sunday the 25th. And yeah, we know that's the day for the big race at Talladega. And again, this will probably change again. No need to panic at this phase of the game, but sure looks like it will rain at some point over that weekend. And then on Monday the 26th, it stays wet on this run. 3 days later, the 29th, look at this upper low developing over Mississippi, and that would be wet and unsettled. And on May 1st, that feature moves out and the rain tapers off. But no doubt the end of April should be considerably wetter here than the past week when it's been so dry. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on TV this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Weather.